Hello. Looking at your work, I can see the opportunity for a lot of improvement. One, consider the notes I gave you about this chocolate bar. It looks like, just honestly, it looks like a blob of brown on my computer. You need a lot more contrast between the black and the brown. Even if you used a tan on the lines, that would help. But again, I think you need to show the edge of the chocolate. You need to show some shine on the melted chocolate. You need to really get in there, do the work, indicate that it is melting chocolate. I do get that this is a girl with, ponytails on her head, but, it kind of looks like Mickey Mouse. Maybe you could add a face. Maybe you could add those cute glass hair ties that I think you indicated earlier. And there's tons of reference on the internet that you can trace from and then add your own brush work too. And again, I do see that this is a closed fist. I got that, but you would see some of the fingernails. I think instead of adding the detail of the palm, you need to show that the fingernails are bent. Finally, what is this Times New Roman? I'm wondering if you're a design student. You can do a lot better than a font that comes on your computer. For example, this is a great site with free fonts on it, and you can just type in what you want. I'm just going to type in Just Another so we get a quick idea. So, Just Another Girl's Rock Poem. Do you want it to look like rock and roll? Do you want it to look like handwriting? Do you want it to look like school? If you wanted to make it look like, I don't know, rock and roll, you might go in here under the distorted area or even the destroy. But to me, since it's about a little girl, perhaps something about school. School would work, or again, handwriting. School, there's another school, there's a few. That might be cute, this one. So decorative type alone can bring tons of personality to a layout. So the final thing to consider is, can I read this? Let me go up to 100 and see if it's easily read. Okay. I suppose it is. There's a lot of sameness. Think about the viewer and what would make things interesting for them or hard to, or easy to read. For example, you don't want the text to interfere with the illustration, so make sure you bump that over. All right, let me know if you have any questions.